Hello everyone, I see you are interested in this dispatch course. Here is what you need to know about it. We got total 6 lectures in this course that you will be completing in 2 to 3 weeks. So first 3 lectures, we will cover the theory portion in which we will study the knowledge of equipment in this industry. We will learn about the safety measures. We will learn about the documentation process that we use in this industry. And the last 3 lectures will cover the softwares that are widely used in this industry in Canadian and American transportation. And these softwares are LoadLink, DatPower, and Avant. Now you might be thinking how this course will help you. First, if you're looking for a job and want to work for Canadian and American transportation industry, this course will help you. Second, if you want to start your own business in this industry, this course will help you. Last but not the least, if you want to work remotely sitting anywhere around the world for this industry, this course is for you.